The ratio of the cost of 1 metre of cotton fabric to the cost of 1 metre of silk fabric is 2:5. Complete the table of cost. So the first thing we can do is write out this ratio. So what this means is that if 1 metre of cotton costs £2, then 1 metre of silk would cost £5. And we can use this to fill in our table. So the only piece of information we've been told in the table is that 2 metres of cotton fabric costs £6. So if we use our ratio, in order to get from 2 to 6 we need to multiply by 3. So we can do the same to the 5 for the silk. And this tells us that 2 metres of silk costs £15. So we can fill this into our table. So the next thing we can do is work out the price of 6 metres of cotton fabric. Now we know that 2 metres costs £6. So therefore if we divide both values by 2, then we can work out that 1 metre of cotton fabric will cost £3. And we can use this to fill in the cotton fabric part of the table. So if 1 metre of cotton fabric costs £3, then in order to work out what 6 metres will cost, we'll need to multiply 3 by 6. And 3 multiplied by 6 gives us £18. And we can use the same process for 8 and 9 metres. So 3 multiplied by 8 gives us £24. And then 3 multiplied by 9 gives us £27. And we can use the same process for the silk fabric, or we can use the ratio which we've been given in the question. So using the same process as before, 2 metres of silk fabric costs £15. And if we divide both values by 2, then this tells us that 1 metre will cost £7.50. So 6 multiplied by £7.50 gives us £45. 8 multiplied by £7.50 gives us £60. And finally 9 multiplied by £7.50 gives us £67.50. And this is our full table filled in. Now this question's worth 3 marks. We'll get 1 mark for having at least one value correct in the cotton fabric row, our second mark for having at least one value correct in the silk fabric row, and our third mark for having a full correct table.